IELTS Listening Practice Test, Part 1. You will hear a conversation between a man and a hotel receptionist about booking a room. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 10. Now, listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 10. Good evening. Welcome to the Lakeside Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hello. I'd like to book a room, please.
Certainly. May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's David Carter.
Thank you, Mr. Carter. When would you like to check in?
On Friday, the 12th of June, for 2 nights.
Okay, so checking out on Sunday, the 14th. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Great. Would you like a single or double room?
A double room, please.
Sure. And would you prefer a room with a view of the lake or the garden?
I'd love a lake view if possible.
Excellent choice. The total price will be £180 for 2 nights, including breakfast.
That's fine. Can I pay by credit card now?
Of course. Please read out your card number and I'll process the payment.
Sure. It's 43221678922345510.
Thank you. Finally, could you give me a contact phone number?
Yes, it's 07982456123.
Perfect. You're all set, Mr. Carter. We look forward to welcoming you on June 12th.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Goodbye. That is the end of Part 1. You now have some time to check your answers.